Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial, and it's going to be very simple and it's going to be very beginner friendly, a very easy look. So let's get started. So to start with, first of all, I've washed my face and I've applied the Pond's Super Light Gel Cream, the moisturizer, and nothing else. That's it on my skin. The first thing that I'm going to use is the Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I'm just going to apply it in the areas, yeah, in the areas where I have large pores. So I'm just going to press it into the skin like this. Next, I'm going to use the L'Oreal 24-hour Fresh Infallible foundation in the shade 130 beige, true beige. I'm just going to take a pump. I'm not going for a very full coverage look. So I'm just going to dot this across my face. So I have dotted it across my face and neck, and then I'm going to use a flat kabuki brush and just stipple it like this. I'm not going to drag the foundation, and I've not used much because I'm going for a very natural look. I don't want a full glam look, so that's why. If you want to do it a full glam, then you can of course use more foundation. I'm not using much foundation under my eyes because I am going to be using a concealer. Next, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade light beige. I've taken it out, and then I'm going to wipe off the excess. I don't want to use much, so that's why just a dot here and here. That's it. Apart from that, if you have any dark spots or marks that you want to conceal, you can use it over there as well. And then with the same brush, I'm going to just smoothen it out. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to take it over the eyelid. So that, everything looks even. This one looks darker, but this one looks better. Next, I'm going to use this Benetint by Benefit lip and cheek tint, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. And then I'm using a brush like this, and then just blending it. And while blending this, I'm also going to take it on halfway over this, connecting it to the eye, so that everything looks very natural and flawless. And a little bit whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to use it on my nose as well. So it gives you that natural flush, from within. So yeah. Next, I'm going to use the Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade True Beige. 222 is its number. And just going to set the concealer. Just keep in mind that I have very dry skin. So it's okay for me to not use a powder to set the foundation. But if you have oily skin, please go ahead and set it with this powder. I'm not going to use this on all over my face, just where I get oily. So for example, the nose and under the eyes to set the concealer. For my brows, I'm just taking a normal brow pencil. Actually, the brand name has rubbed off from this, so I cannot tell which one is this. But you can use any eyebrow pencil you want. And I'm just going to fill this. And then just blend this with my finger. I'm going to keep them very natural looking, not going for any harsh brows. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This is my favorite. I love this. And then I'm just going to coat them very lightly, since we're trying to keep this very natural. I'm not gonna go for a second coat. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use this K-Beauty illuminating highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold, which looks like this. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush like this, take a little bit on the brush, and then just apply it to the high points of my cheeks. And then just blend it a little with my finger. And for the lips, I'm going to use two lipsticks over here. One is the Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Delicate 225. I'm going to outline my lips with that and then fill my lips with this one. This is by Essence Color Boost Mad About Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 03 Wanna Play. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day in advance. I hope you all have a great day. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Mwah.